Isang mapagpalang araw. So ngayon nandito na naman tayo sa Planet Sport dito sa Market Ayala Mall para mag-update lang naman ang sale nila dito up to 70% off. Kaya tara samahan niyo ako. So New Balance 50% off, 800 na lang to from 2,295. 50% off, 800 na lang to from 1,995. 60% off, 700 na lang to from 2,295. Dito sa Lebron shoes na naka 50% off, dito 4,000 na lang to from 8,895, size 9. Then 38 na naka 50% off, 4,000 na lang to from 9,995. So bali di lang to naka 50%, 60% off na to, size 9. Naka 50% Jadorang naka 50% off, 897 na lang to from 1,795, size 9. Dito sa Airwalk 50% off, 700 na lang to from 1,795, size 9. Dito sa Converse 70% off, 1,200 na lang to, size 9. Dito sa Zion 50% off, 4,000 from 8,395, size 9. New Balance 550 50% off, 4,247 from 8,495, size 9 din dito. Converse 60% off, 1,400 na lang to from 3,990, size 9. 50% off, 4,697 from 9,295, size 9. Riyang 3 na naka 50% off, size 9.5, 4,500 from 9,000. Another Lebron shoes na naka 50% off, 4,000 na lang to from 8,895, size 9.5. At dito sa GT Jump 50% off, 4,947 from 9,895, size 9. Hoka 60% off, 4,000 na lang to, size 9.5. Skechers size 9.5, 50% off, 4,000 na lang to from 9,495. So di lang to naka 50% off, 60% off na to, size 9.5. Dito 50% off, 2,750 from 5,500, size 10. Dito sa basketball shoes ng Skechers 60% off, 2,000 na lang to from 5,995, size 10. Another 60% off ng Skechers, 2,000 from 7,995, size 10. New Balance 50% off, 3,497 from 6,995, size 10. Converse 60% off, 1,400 na lang to from 3,695, size 10. New Balance 50% off, 2,697 from 4,495, size 10. Dito sa Nike, dito 50% off, 1,747 from 3,495, size 10, last pair na rin to. Jordan 38 na naka 50% off. 4,000 na lang to, size 10. New Balance 420, 70% off, size 7, 1,200 na lang to from 3,995. Converse 60% off, 1,000 na lang to, last pair na rin to, size 7. Dito sa katabi ng 70% off na Converse, 1,200 na lang to from 4,995, size 7. Sir, 50% off, 2,497 na lang to from 4,995, size 9. New Balance 550, naka 60% off, 4,000 na lang to from 9,795, size 7.5. Nike Air Max naka 50% off, 3,947 from 7,895, size 9.5. Converse 70% off, 1,000 na lang to from 4,990, size 8.5. There's 70% off ng Converse, 1,000 na lang to from 3,790, size 8.5. Dito 50% off, 4,000 na lang to from 10,995, size 11 naman dito. Dito sa Zion 50% off, 4,197 from 8,395. Ito, meron ditong Converse naka 80% off, 700 na lang to from 3,790, size 7.5 naman dito. 80% off. Dito 70% off, 1,000 na lang to from 3,790, 9.5. At dito sa 80% off, size 9, 700 na lang to from 3,790. Another 70% off, 1,200 na lang to from 3,790. Pag dito ang daming Converse na naka 60% off dito sa pambabae, 60% off, 1,400 na lang to. Another 60% off, 1,200 na lang to. 2,000 from 4,490. Dito 1,800 na lang to, size 9.5.